Here we go again into the 2nd century. We're kicking off another 100 years of the Christmas Day dinner here in the RDS. As you can see behind me, the event is in full swing. We've already delivered out 5,500 meals out to people in their homes and accommodation. There's another 500 people in here just tucking in the smell of turkey and the smell of gravy and stuffing and pudding. It's just, if only we had smell-o-vision, it'd be only fantastic. But the atmosphere in here is wonderful. 200 volunteers, another 300 volunteers collecting meals this morning, entertainers, great support from all our agencies. We're having a wonderful year this year.
I think it's lovely. There's a lovely atmosphere and it's a lovely, enjoyable day.
And it really brings people together a day like today. And to be in its 101st year is incredible for the Columbanus organisation. And you see all types of people, people with all different stories to tell here today. And it's great that we can all get together on a day like today and celebrate this Christmas.
I think life is so unfair. I think people can come from very wealthy families and they can leave one member of the family in a soup kitchen and make a millionaire out of another one. There's an awful lot of class distinction still in Ireland and an awful lot of injustice. And I just feel that I think we're all human and everyone should be treated with respect and dignity, rich or poor.